What if I told you that the seeds most people throw away after eating dates could actually grow into your own palm tree at home? Sounds impossible, right? Most people eat the fruit and toss the seeds straight into the bin without realizing they're throwing away the beginning of an entire tree. Start by removing the seeds from fresh dates and wash them really well to remove all the sticky fruit. Any leftover fruit can cause mold later, so make sure the seeds are completely clean. Next, place the seeds in clean water and let them soak for 3 to 7 days, changing the water every day. This helps soften the hard outer shell and makes germination happen faster. As the seeds absorb water, they'll slowly start swelling up, and that means they're getting ready to grow. Now take a damp tissue, not soaking wet. Place the seeds inside. Gently fold the tissue over them and put everything into a sealed freezer bag. Keep the bag in a warm place and check it every few days to make sure the tissue stays moist. After around 2 to 6 weeks, open the bag and you'll see the exciting part. A tiny white root pushing out from the seed. This is where the magic really begins. Plant the sprouted seed about 1-2 inches deep in light, well-draining soil and water gently. Keep it in bright indirect sunlight and only water when the top of the soil starts drying out. Over time, you'll notice the first leaves appearing. At first, they won't look like the classic palm leaves you expect. They'll look like simple green blades. As the plant grows bigger and stronger, more leaves will appear, and the root system will continue developing underneath the soil. Just imagine it. What started as a seed most people would throw away is now becoming a real growing tree. And one day, you could have your own beautiful date palm growing right at home. Give it time, keep taking care of it.